Welcome to this guide on replacing the key fob battery in your 2024-2025 Toyota Highlander. The key fob uses a standard CR2032 lithium coin cell battery that powers remote entry, ignition, and panic functions. A weak or dead battery leads to problems like reduced operating range from 30 to 50 feet to under 10 feet, delayed responses to button presses, or even preventing the vehicle from starting. Replacing the battery yourself is straightforward, taking just 5 to 10 minutes with basic tools. It saves significant money compared to dealership fees of $80 to $120 while using widely available batteries costing under $5. One clear sign of a low key fob battery is a warning light on your dashboard. This typically shows a key symbol or message indicating the fob needs attention. Your My Toyota app may also send notifications about a low battery. Check the app for alerts related to key fob status or vehicle connectivity. You may notice reduced range, needing to be much closer to the car to unlock it. The car might also fail to detect the key fob when you try to start the vehicle. If you experience any of these symptoms, dashboard warnings, app notifications, or reduced range, it's time for a new key fob battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob, and a new CR2032 battery. A soft towel can protect the fob from scratches. These batteries are widely available at stores like Amazon or Walmart. Locate the small notch on the back or side of the fob. If your fob has a metal emergency key, remove it first. Gently insert the pry tool into the notch and twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to force it. With the key fob open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. The positive side with the plus sign should be facing up. Use a pry tool to gently lift and remove the old battery. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. The battery should fit snugly. Double check that the area is clean and free of any debris before closing the fob. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Make sure they align properly and click securely into place. Double check that the fob is fully closed and there are no gaps. A secure fit prevents the battery from coming loose. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons from a distance of about 20 feet. The car should respond immediately. If the fob doesn't respond, don't worry. The next step covers reprogramming the key fob to your vehicle. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming might be necessary. This usually happens if the vehicle's system needs to relearn the fob's signal. Start by inserting the physical key into the ignition switch if your Highlander has one. This is typically found on vehicles without full keyless start. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. The dashboard lights should come on, indicating the electrical system is active. Now, press and hold the lock button on your key fob for exactly 1 second, then release it. Quickly repeat this action. Press and hold the lock button again for 1 second within 40 seconds of the first press. The vehicle should recognize the fob and reprogram it. If reprogramming still doesn't work, refer to your owner's manual for detailed instructions specific to your 2024-2025 Toyota Highlander model. Some variations may exist for different trims. Here are some important tips and considerations for maintaining your key fob battery. Always use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, as it's the standard for your 2024-2025 Toyota Highlander key fob. This ensures proper voltage and compatibility with the vehicle's systems. Avoid using rechargeable batteries, as they may not provide the correct voltage or current, potentially causing malfunctions or voiding your warranty. Stick to standard CR2032 cells. Properly recycle your old battery at a designated recycling center. Lithium batteries contain hazardous materials and should not be disposed of in regular trash to comply with environmental regulations. Check the battery compartment every 6 to 12 months for signs of corrosion. Corrosion can build up and interfere with connections, leading to key fob failures. Clean any buildup gently if found. If you're uncomfortable performing this replacement yourself, a professional mechanic can do it for you. However, DIY saves significant costs. Dealerships charge $80 to $120, while materials cost only $1 to $5. By following these tips, you'll maintain reliable key fob performance and avoid unnecessary expenses.